Hi, Amy here, and today I want to dig a little deeper into how you can create bonuses that buyers love. There are 5 keys to creating an effective bonus strategy, and that actually stands for bonus. Make it easy to remember. Basics, options, necessities, uniques, and sources. So in this video, I'm going to show how you can use this formula to create your next bonus. So let's start with the basics. This is all about developing bonuses your prospects will find irresistible. So here are some of the characteristics. The bonus is in demand. It's something that people want. For example, you may not want to have a bonus about using Internet Explorer because nobody's really using that anymore and it's outdated. The bonus is valuable. A good rule of thumb, I think, is that it would be something that people would probably pay for if it was standalone. It's related to the main offer. And I think this is really important too, because a lot of times you'll see people offering bonuses that are just sort of random and not particularly related to the main offer. The bonus is easy to deliver. They can get it quickly and easily as a download, whatever format it's in. And the bonus has a great title. So that's really the first one where you're covering some of these bases. Once you've decided that your bonus can fit all those requirements, you can then think about, okay, what are some ways you can create these bonuses? Do you want to have audio files? Do you want to have access to a membership site? Do you want to have a exclusive webinar? That's a great bonus if you do like a live Q&A or something like that, or a live demo. You want to include some apps or software, or perhaps some templates. One of the things I think is these types of bonuses can be good if they're offering maybe something a little different in the format than the main product. That's not a requirement, but it can help you maximize the value of the bonus. So if you're putting together a bonus for your own sales page, you can also include a fast action bonus or a deadline. So you make the bonus really part of the offer, so there's a necessity. Now, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you can do this as well, where you can have maybe the bonus just during the introductory pricing period or just a period of time. And this can be a great way without having to offer price discounts to get people to take action and to purchase. Another great thing you can do is you can create unique bonuses. This is something that different marketers and publishers can, some of these people do it very, very well. You can offer things like case study, gear list, what you have is an interview, personal group coaching, and a video, webinar, or a class. This can often be a bit more time consuming and specific, so this is great if you're really wanting to maximize sales or you have maybe a higher ticket product. So you really want to make sure that it's worth doing this. And sources. This is where you will get your sources. So what you can do is you can take a piece of your existing product that you might have and take it off. A lot of times people over deliver on the big products and you can take something out and then just offer it as a bonus. You can use done for you content. You can crowdsource, ask other people to submit tips or ideas, and you can even just outsource the bonus. I really like using private label rights content because a lot of times this is the type of content people would buy directly anyways, and if you have private label rights content, then you can put it together. So let me just show you here a quick example. This is a fiction bonus that I have, and it includes a creativity report, how to promote your Kindle novel online, and the top 5 most important things to know about fiction writing. So I'm including 3 separate short reports, and this was like a bonus bundle. And I like doing that too, because sometimes if you have a bundle, then people will find 1 or 2 things in there that appeal to them. And these are all covering actual fiction. Now, I have this is from private label rights content or PLR, so that's where I got that from. And that is just a great way to put together some bonus content. If you want to learn more about actually creating and using bonuses for your business, I recommend my complete training bonus boost. And this is going to share with you how you can put together bonuses and use them to grow your business.